How to log into your Instagram after you have forgotten your password or without email and phone number as well. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can exactly log into your Instagram without your email or your phone number. So if you are stuck on your login page, it should look something like this. From here, what you want to do is tap on forgotten password, and here you have an option to find your account, but you don't need to do that right now, so you can just tap on can't reset your password. Once you tap on it, it will take you directly to Instagram's help center. Here you will have different kind of articles and links to help you recover your account. So just tap on the first drop down, and from here you can read all of these to follow these steps if you want, but what you essentially want to do is tap on this blue button that says visit this page, and it will take you to a page where you have to request Instagram support. So just tap on I've forgotten my password and tap on next. You have an option to find your account first. From here you can tap on can't reset your password. Now you will get to a page something like this where you'll have to identify your account. Here you have to enter your username, your phone number, or your email address. Now, if you don't have access to your phone number, or if you don't want to use your phone number or email, what you can do is just enter your username. But in some cases you might have forgotten your username. In that case, what you can do is, if there are some friends connected to you on Instagram, you can ask them what your username is. You can just enter the username and tap on next, and once you do that, Instagram will send you a reset link on your phone number or your email address, whatever you have entered on while logging in. uh, a reset link will be sent to there, to your email or your phone number, and after that you can reset your password and easily log in. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.